Bullying in the workplace. So I have several scenarios. Let's talk about what bullying is first. Bullying, it's repeated offensive and hostile behavior intended to undermine, intimidate, or harm another employee. It can be verbal, social, or digital, and is often persistent. So example, let's go to bullying, because again, I want to make sure that I am not... Okay, involves repeated unreasonable actions from a person or group that create an intimidating, hostile, or offensive work environment, putting the targeted employee's health and safety at risk. Examples include persistent criticism, humiliation, spreading rumors, or sabotage, which can be carried out by anyone from a supervisor to a peer. What it is, it's the persistent mistreatment. Bullying is not a one-time event, but a continuous pattern of harmful behavior. Unreasonable actions. It involves actions that are unfair and inappropriate for the workplace, such as setting impossible deadlines or giving constant and unfair criticism. Risk to health and safety. The behavior creates a risk to the health and safety of the employee or employees being targeted, and can involve abuse of power. Often bullying involves an actual or perceived imbalance of power, though it can also occur between coworkers. And even with coworkers, there can be an imbalance of power. There can be favoritism. Examples of bullying behaviors: verbal abuse, yelling, insults, and constant demeaning criticism.